Welcome, in front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen, and we're looking right here somewhere for the screen recorder. So it looks like it's not added by default, so we will need to do that ourselves. Let's click right here on this pencil. And somewhere below here we should have a screen recorder, hopefully. There we go. So right over here. Click on the plus, this gets added, as you can see. And when we go back, we should have access to it. There we go, so we can click on it. We have silent screen recording and voice screen recording, so it would record whatever microphone picks up. So I'm gonna stick with the silent one. You have a 3-second countdown and then begins recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. You can also open up most applications. Some of them will be blocked by the application, so screen recorder won't be able to pick up anything, but that's just a handful of apps. Now once you're done recording, you can interact with this overlay. Just click on it and this automatically saves the screen recording to your Photos application, which I will open up right now, right here. And you will want to navigate to Collections right here, and in Collections you will find, let's see, screenshots. So in this case it's going to be videos. Okay, so because of the changed settings here, it's not appearing where it's supposed to, so it would be either in videos or screenshots, possibly even in both. Now for me, it's not even showing up here as the recent one, which it should also show up in the Photos tab. So the only way I can show you this screen recording is by just pulling down my notifications and finding the notification related to it. So there we go, we have screen recording, and we can open up through, for instance, Photos. And you can see it play back right now. So anyway, that's about it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.